Hey, welcome. I'm Andrew Lehr with the Sure Sales Group of Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate, and today I'm at my brand new renovation listing in the heart of Towson. It's 608 Stevenson Lane. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, complete renovation that really does a nice job of blending a lot of the historical elements such as the slate roof, refinished hardwood floors, and a lot of cool door hardware and historic trim and details throughout with today's modern amenities, such as the chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, over the island range hood, and white shaker cabinets in the kitchen with tile backsplash. The property was meticulously renovated by R&G Remodeling with a very great attention to detail. The property is located right here in the heart of Towson, just down the street from the Country Club of Maryland, right off the York Road corridor, and within walking distance to the Wiltondale Greenwood Park and Community Pool. Let's come take a look. Thanks for taking a look around 608 Stevenson Lane, the heart of Towson. If you have any questions or want to find out more information about this property or any other properties, feel free to reach out to me, Andrew Lehr, or anyone else on the Sure Sales Group. Thanks and have a great day.